The event today is great to get everybody together and hear from different parts of the industry and to get out of your own little bubble.
I think it's important that we share new ideas and learning so we can improve how we develop safety cases. And the other reason I think it's important is that the industry is facing a significant skills challenge, so it's really important that the industry comes together and develops new safety case capability.
It's really important, I think, for us all to get together and understand what's going on and keep up to date with best practice across the industry.
It's so key to be able to input that LFE back into your company and take away from it, and also share your successes as a company yourself. You know, what are you really proud about that your company is doing, what you're really passionate about, and being able to share that amongst the industry is a great opportunity to have.
It's also nice to see a lot of familiar faces. It's a small industry, so good to have these opportunities.
I've been in engineering for 36 years, and every day is still school day. So I feel I've learned a lot today that will help us go back to workplaces. Certainly, I think the prerequisite for this event is to remain open-minded, so that you're able to, because one size won't fit all, we're able to take the bit that you might need to help you progress your areas a little bit further.